how to track marketing campaigns in Pipedrive. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can simply keep track of all your marketing campaigns on Pipedrive. So firstly, come on to pipedrive.com. After that, sign in. I'm gonna sign up right now quickly and I'll show you how it's done. So once you guys have logged in, this is the dashboard that you guys are gonna be seeing. So over here on the left side, of course, you guys can see all of your options. Click on campaigns, and then after that, that is gonna take you guys over to their campaign section. Now over here, this is the section where you have all of your marketing campaigns in one place. You guys are going to be able to see all of your marketing campaigns over here. Now right now, of course, I don't have any marketing campaigns running because I don't have anything to run marketing campaigns for, but you guys can see all of your campaigns that are running over here in this very tab. Now over here, of course, you guys can see all the different features that they give you for starting marketing campaigns with them, and you guys can get started for free by clicking on that one button. And then after that, you can just simply choose the type of campaigns that you want to run based on all of these features, and of course you guys can start your email marketing campaign. So guys, this is how you guys can view your marketing campaigns on Pipedrive. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.